Are you looking for the best gaming PC build under $1,500? In this video, we will look at one of the top gaming PC builds for this price. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. For the processor in this build, we've gone with the trusty AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. As with all of the CPUs in the Ryzen series, this one comes in a polished silver color with the AMD Ryzen logo boldly on the front. With the Ryzen 5 3600X, you are getting a lightning-fast 6-core, 12-thread processor that is built with the latest in CPU technology and innovation. You will easily be able to pump out more than 100 frames per second on some of your favorite games. A huge game cache of 35 megabytes is going to allow you to get the best possible game performance for less lag and other slowdowns. It has a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz and is fully unlocked with overclocking able to get it up to 4.4 GHz. You should be able to throw everything but the kitchen sink at the Ryzen 5 3600X, and it will take it thanks to the 7nm process technology. This processor comes ready to connect with the latest advancements as it is on the socket AM4 platform and supports PCIe 4.0. In the $200 range, there's no other CPU on the market that's going to give you a better cost-to-performance ratio. The graphics card is essential to a good gaming build, and the Asus ROG Strix GeForce RTX 2070 Super will rock your world. This stylish-looking GPU from Asus comes in a dark gray base color with curved red lines throughout. If you're looking for a graphics card that will handle all of the best AAA titles, look no further than the RTX 2070 Super. It uses NVIDIA Turing technology to run at 1830 MHz with overclocking enabled. You're going to get a massive 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory, which will give you plenty to run the most demanding of games. As well, if you're one for multiple monitors, this bad boy can support up to 4 at a time with 2 HDMI 2.0 and 2 Display 1.4 ports. You're even going to be able to hook up the latest in virtual reality technology thanks to the included USB Type-C connections. With the RTX 2070 Super, you're also going to get endless customization for the looks. It uses the Asus AuraSync RGB lighting that will give you access to millions of different color options. This purchase also comes with some great software available, including Game Booster, GPU Tweak 2, Quantum Cloud, WT Fast, and XSplit Gamecaster. Random access memory is another extremely important component, and we've decided on the Crucial 16GB kit. These RAM sticks from Crucial look fairly standard without many aesthetic frills in moss green color with blue and white logo. With this RAM kit from Crucial, you'll be getting 2 8GB sticks of DDR4 memory for 16GB in total. This is enough to ensure you can play the latest and greatest games and multitask to your heart's content. With speeds up to 2,666 megatransfers per second, this affordable option is going to keep up with all your memory needs. A great thing about this offering from Crucial is that you'll be able to increase your bandwidth up to 32% and at the same time decrease your power consumption by up to 40%. This is a win-win scenario for such a low price. The Crucial 16GB RAM is going to give you all the memory you need for a smooth gaming experience. A gaming build would be useless without proper storage, and the ADATA SU800 is going to be a great addition to any PC. This solid-state drive from ADATA comes looking similar to all their other models in a basic black color with the colorful ADATA logo on the front. You are going to be getting a super fast solid-state drive with 1 terabyte of storage and amazing reading and writing speeds of 560 and 520 megabytes per second respectively. Everything is going to load and respond faster, especially if you are coming from a standard hard disk drive. With the ADATA SU800, you are getting the latest in advancements for the DRAM cache, buffer, and dynamic SLC caching. This means that they are fully optimized to give you the best possible performance for your storage. Your new SSD is also fully protected by the RAID engine and data shaping technology. As an added bonus, you will also get access to the ADATA SSD Toolbox and migration utility software. This 2.5-inch SSD from ADATA comes with a 3-year warranty from the manufacturer and is going to be a key component to any strong gaming PC. Another key component is the power supply, and we've decided on the Seasonic Focus Plus 650FX. This compact and powerful PSU from Seasonic comes with a black base color with lavish gold accents throughout. The Seasonic Focus 650FX is super efficient for its size, as it measures only 7.28 by 12.44 by 4.69 inches, which makes it perfect for smaller builds. It is a 650-watt power supply that is 80+ gold certified. This means that it will run 90% efficient at half load and a blazing 87% efficient at 100% load. You're going to be getting a PSU that can handle just about anything. Seasonic has designed the Plus series of power supplies to be fully modular, which makes organizing your cables easier than ever without extra clutter. As well, they've put a lot of effort into the cooling system. You get the all-new hybrid silent fan control technology, which balances fan noise and cooling in 3 different modes: fanless, silent, and cooling. For the icing on the cake, this PSU from Seasonic comes with an amazing 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Now that all the powerful components are here, you need a MOBO for them, and the Asus Prime X570P is a great choice. This motherboard by Asus looks fairly standard, as do most, and comes in a black, gray, and white color pattern with diagonal lines. You will be future-proofing your build by using the X570P as it is fully compatible with the latest processors, has PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 support, and even USB 3.0 connections. This is a MOBO that will last you for years to come. Cooling is always going to be a major concern, and the X570P comes with Fan Expert 4 and UEFI for the best fan and pump controls available. As an added bonus, this motherboard is also compatible with a vast amount of RGB components, so you can have fun customizing your lighting to be unique to you. This is due to the inclusion of AuraSync RGB technology. Lastly, you will need a home for everything, and the Phanteks Eclipse P400S Silent Edition will do just fine. This case can really do it all, and it looks great with a tempered glass side panel and 5 different color choices. The body of the Eclipse P400S is made completely of metal, with the exterior being high-grade steel. It is designed to fit even the larger GPUs and gives you 15.2 inches of clearance. Cooling is a top priority with this case from Phanteks, and it has magnetic dust filters, a 3-speed fan controller, has 2 120mm fans built in, and even supports radiators for liquid cooling. With direct airflow going to the processors, you will never have to worry about overheating again. For anyone looking to add additional storage, there's room for 6 different drives measuring between 2.5 and 3.5 inches. With an amazingly easy-to-use cable management system along with a 300mm RGB light strip, the Phanteks Eclipse P400S Silent Edition is going to give you everything you need in a PC case without breaking the bank. So that sums up the gaming PC build. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.